To start off this mid-taper, we'll be debulking the hair with the 1.5 guard. Make sure to flick out at the end because you don't want to create a harsh line. Now with my trimmer, I'm going to be making my bald line. Make sure your bald line doesn't go too high or too low. You want it on the middle. Now with no guard lever open, make a 1/2 inch line. After creating the 1/2 inch line, I will then put my lever to the middle and attack halfway of that line. Then I will close up my lever and finish up the fade. What I like to do after those 3 steps, I like to do some detail work in order to make that fade pop out. And I always do these for every guard. So with the 1/2, with the 1 guard, and the 1.5 guard. So now with my 1 guard, I'm just gonna make a 1/2 inch line with the lever open so that I could go in with my 1/2 guard and fade it out. Now with my 1/2 guard, I'll go in with my lever open, and then after I flick out, I'm gonna go with my 1/2 lever open, then flick out halfway of that guideline, and then I'll close up my lever to finish out the fade. Right here with my 1.5 guard closed, I will just flick out to make the transition from the fade to the top of the hair look better. Right here we'll just finish up the fade by doing some detail work. Detail work is key to making your fades look 10 times better. Now for the back, it's just the same steps, so I'm just gonna show you when it's done. YouTube, here's the cut. Please like, subscribe, and share.